Hey y'all, today we're taking a look at how to download WhatsApp on a laptop. Let's get into it. Ever wanted to chat on WhatsApp without picking up your phone? The WhatsApp desktop app lets you do just that. It's the official way to get WhatsApp on your computer, whether you're using Windows, Mac. It syncs up your messages so you can type right away into your PC or laptop. Here's how you go about getting the official WhatsApp download for your laptop. So you're going to want to go to whatsapp.com. Once here, you can select download. When you download it, it should download the correct installer for your computer. So .exe for Windows, .dmg for Mac, and then you can go ahead and open that up. It'll run through a quick install. Once completed, all you have to do is select Get Started, and then scan the QR code with your phone, and it'll sign you in and you're good to go. And that's how easy it is to download and install WhatsApp on your computer. Let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.